what's up guys, it's Freddy, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, Merry Christmas to all who celebrates it. And I had my Christmas yesterday. It's just a tradition I've always had, but I was so excited to see what I got, so I kind of unboxed some of them already. Some of them I haven't, so let's get right into it. This one was from my girlfriend. I love it so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, Scorpion. Yes. I was so excited when she got me this because she knows how much I love Funko Pops. Let's unbox it. That's so slick. I love the hood. Look at that. The eyes. Everything right there. Get the little thing right there. Them shoes. Look at that. Them Yeezys right there. Them Yeezys. Thank you to my girlfriend. And I got another one from my mom. She said I look like him. She said I'm him every year, so she thought about it, and she got me the Grinch on his Santa outfit. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Little hat, everything. It's like oh, look at that. Look at that fur. Oh, it's so cool. I love these two so much. What? Yeah, that was for Funko Pops. I was so excited yesterday, and I still am. My girlfriend got me a chain. Wait. A chain. There it is. It's a donut. I love it so much. Look at that. It was so cool. It's so cool. I love it so much. Thank you for it. So cool. Maybe. This was from my brother. He got me a mod pack, which I think was pretty cool. This was the last thing I thought he would get me, honestly. But I think this was so cool. This, like, I don't know, it's never came across my mind to get one before. And it's cool that he just knew what to get for me. Yeah. It's a box. So you put it on the back. Oh, okay. You put it on top. Oh. So what's this? What? This is a long charger. Let's see. Do that. Little buttons right there. Right here. Maybe right there. see. Built-in control mode. Rapid fire, drop shot, quick scope, turbo 2.0, and more. I'm gonna use it for World War II. Don't tell anyone. It's our secret. Next, we have a sweater my girlfriend got me. Lil Uzi, and she knew what to get me. I love this so much. This is my favorite sweater. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. It can be like 80 degrees. I'll still wear it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody look at this. All my friends are dead. Right there. All my friends are dead. Yes. I love it so much though. It's so beautiful. And it's so warm too. I just like got home from my brother's too. And it kept me so warm. I love it. I love it so much. Next we have my brother got me this. Look at that. $35 for a Switch game. To get a Switch game. Why would he get that, you ask? Yup, it's here. My parents got me a Switch. Yes. Yes. I was so happy when I got this. You have no idea. Like, this was the last thing I thought I would get, a Switch. It's so crazy. And I did unbox it yesterday. I was like so happy to play it and everything. I did buy a game already. I used the card already. So I ended up getting Resident Evil, Revelations 2, and Rocket League. Yeah, let's unbox. Well, unbox it again. So my brother, he has a Switch too. And we ended up trading controls. He wanted all the reds, and I wanted all the blues. Yes, look at that. I love the blue ones. I just love the blue ones. If there was a purple ones, I'd get those. Purple's my favorite color. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Got fingerprints already, but yeah. Look at that. So beautiful. Got the little thing right here. Switch. Oh look, and even has a stand if I know how to. I don't know how to take it down. I don't break it either. Let's see what else we got. We got. Ooh. Oh. I'm sorry. We got a little control. I didn't even know it came with one. I thought you had to buy these separately. That's so cool. Look. And you just put the little controls right there. I'm gonna put it in right now. Yes. Look how beautiful that looks. Blue and black. So beautiful. Look at that. It just looks so cool. Like how, I don't know, it just looks so cool. What is this? Oh, this is for the for when you're playing like single player. Like this is for the top, you know, like here, I'll put it on. And you just put that like this. Wait. There it is. See? And you could just, that's really cool how that works. Oh my god, man, that's really cool. And it has a little strap thing, so you could like Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, this is the dock. Yeah, this is to play like on the TV if you don't want to play on the thing. Yes, on the Switch, just like that. Just put it in, and it turns on. Well, you gotta connect the HDMI and stuff like that, but still, that's pretty cool. Then it's got the HDMI and the charger. Brother gave me these little controls. See that? He gave me 2 of them, which I thought was pretty cool. Thank you. Just put the control right in, and then you just like see, and then you just like. There you go. You would probably, oh wait, no. With these, you don't need this little black part right here, this little thing. It already comes with it. So like, see the little buttons, so you won't have to have another one. I think it's cool. It just reminds me of like a little tiny controller, just like that. He also gave me Street Fighter if I get Rocket League. So I got Rocket League. That pretty much wraps it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Drop a like too, and thanks guys for all the support. I really appreciate it. And again, Merry Christmas to anybody that celebrates it. I'll see you next time on the next unboxing.